How to view comments on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you where you can find it. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my sample document. So just open that document where you want to find your comments, and at your right side, top of the right side, you can see the show the all comments option. Just click on it. Now you can see the all type of comments. You can also see the resolve comments, or you can see the only open comments, or you can see the all type of comments. So here you can you can apply or resolve the comments. You can delete comments from here. If you have own comment, you can edit from here. Okay, and for you means someone, if mention only you, then here you can find your comments. Okay, so after you view all comments, you can just close that window. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.